Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a DIY vanity mirror with lights. I am going to be doing my mirror with these LED tap lights. So you just press on them. If you guys want to see how I do my DIY vanity mirror, please keep watching. So I got this mirror at Burlington for $30. This was a great price for a mirror. I am going to be painting it white. Hopefully it works. I am going to be using this acrylic paint
in titanium white. I don't know about paint, so hopefully this works.
So I'll be back when I finish painting. See you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so I just finished painting. I think I did a good job. I did my best. I don't know if you could see, but it doesn't look perfect. And it's still, you could tell I painted it. But it's okay because I'm finally done painting it. So now I am going to put the lights. So here I have the lights that I will be using. I'm not sure if I will be using these because they're different. They're two different colors. And I feel like these are brighter. So, I got these at Home Depot for $10. It comes with a 3-pack. So I got 2 packs. I might get another one so I could put on the top because I don't think I'm gonna use these. So these lights come with these double-sided sticky tape thing. Hey, I have my vanity mirror now. The reason why I wanted to paint it white was because when I do get my vanity, it's going to be white, so I wanted it to match. But now I'm starting to think I should have left it black. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Should I have left it black? Because once I paint my room, it's not going to be pink anymore. So I don't know. But it looks really nice. I finally put the lights on it. It is such a struggle to do my makeup in here because of the lighting. Especially in the morning because there is no sunlight to go by. So I think it looks good. I don't know. I think this is a great alternative to that Impressions vanity mirror that I want. That's $400. And for now, I think it's good. I want to do my makeup now. But I don't know if I should put the other lights because... Or maybe I should for now. Or should I not? I don't know. I'll try it. That is today's video. I'm kind of sad that the paint didn't go as planned. But it's still... I still got to paint it, so... Oh wow, it looks pretty. Oh, I didn't know it looked this pretty. But yeah, it didn't go as planned, but I still got to paint it. Oh, actually, I like it. I actually like it, guys. Forget about the I should have not painted it. I like it painted. It looks pretty now. I think I'm gonna go get more lights, actually, for the top. But for now, it looks good. I want to do my makeup now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked how I did my DIY vanity mirror. And please don't forget to subscribe, and please go follow me on my social medias. Okay, actually, I think it looks good for now with the two lights. I just didn't include this one because it's not as bright as those two. I will take those off when I get more of the yellow ones. But yeah, I really like my mirror, you guys. I'm so excited to do my makeup. This is the final look. It's so pretty. So please don't forget to subscribe. It'll mean so much to me if you subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.